Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for being here. So in today's video, what I'm going to be bringing you the BOTOX Bob. The BOTOX Bob is a haircut that takes you from looking drab and feeling drab to looking and feeling younger. So we're going to get straight into the sectioning pattern and straight into the haircut. So you've joined me back with the sectioning pattern, and what we've got here are 4 ponytails. But for the hairdressers in the room, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to explain to you how you can achieve this on the salon floor. So I'm just going to explain the first section for you. First section is taken really close into the nape. The hair is all brought back into the middle. That's how we create that A-line graduation shape, because all that hair is pulled back. When we pull out and we cut, it'll be shorter in the middle and longer towards the perimeter, which is what we would essentially do when we're putting in a graduated bob or a graduated shape. We would work here, and we could even work with a stationary guide like we are today, where all the sections come towards that point, or we could travel around the back of the head to create a much tighter graduated shape. The next section, this one here, this will come up and then this will come down to meet. So we're working in a graduated angle. So below 90 degrees, 90 degrees, below 90 degrees. So this is going to be our guide essentially, this first one here. This will come down to meet it, and then we cut there. And then what we do is we get those two connected, but you can see it comes all the way back here. So section pattern is taken from middle of the ear to occipital bone to middle of the ear, this first section here. This section here is from the recession point all the way around below the horseshoe, just so you can see through there. And then this last section here, what we will do, we'll elevate this section as if it's our guide, and we're going to be in a layering position, because this is just going to be pulled up above 90 degrees, that being 90 degrees. We could have it down here, which will create a weightier shape, but we're going to lift up and we're going to match that section under there, and that will create a layer, which is going to create a softer over the top veil layer. And this is, again, from the recession all the way around on a top horseshoe. And how we found that sectioning pattern was from how we're going to put the fringe in. And I think this is one of the key factors to creating the BOTOX bob, a bob that makes you look younger, is by having softness around the face. So we're going to have this, that's sectioned on the flat point of the head. So I put my comb there, and where that head started to move away from the comb, there, like so, you can see this is flat on the head here. And as it starts to move away, curve away, that was my point for the sectioning. And it comes to the recession and recession. So we've got quite a wide fringe, but I want that because I want there to be shape around the face. And you can see this is right on the hairline. So if we were doing a fringe in the salon similar, we could either bring it all to the middle and we could cut like that to create soft floaty fringe or bangs, or we could pull straight out, we could cut, give us a stronger shape. But if we're working below 90 degrees, we're going to get a much weightier fringe. If we work in here, a bit softer, and if we work up here, we're going to create a much softer fringe. So let's get into the haircut so you can see the BOTOX bob. So I'm just going to get these two sections clipped out of the way. So we're going to get into the haircuts, but if this is the first time visiting my channel or finding me, the reason I love to break down haircuts into ponytails is because it's so immediate. You can see the haircut happen instantly. So when I take this and I cut it, we can actually see a length. When I drop that down, cut it, we can actually see some graduation building up. And when I take that top section, we can actually see layer, sort of how it will be and where the lengths are going to be. And then when we shake it all out at the end, we'll have a finished look, not like we would get in the salon because we'd be taking this section by section, but this gives you a really good idea if you're learning hairdressing, where to take hair to, where to cut it from, and then to create a shape. So we've got to think here, that's taken pretty much right on that hairline. Where do we want, I'm just going to drop it down a little bit, it's just crept up a bit. Where do we want that length to be? Now, I want to take it to the mannequin's neck. I want it to be a bit more of like a lob bob, because I think the sort of softness and floatiness, I think anything up here can be quite harsh sometimes. I think anything just to bring it down and soften off around the neck is also something that makes a youthful bob. So when I talk here, there's probably about a centimetre which is just brought up, so we know we're going to have a centimetre of length because we've got this section up into the ponytail. So if I look there, I pretty much know it's going to fall around that neck point where I want it. So I'm just going to cut straight across like that. And then just to soften off, just point cut. And what this will do, same within the salon, when the hair's dry, this is called the refining process. And this is where we can really customize, we can remove bulk, we can remove weight, we can take a bit of length off if we want. But most of your length really wants to be coming off when the hair's wet, sectioned out in the salon. So there we go. There's our first ponytail. And we can see it's probably a centimetre above the neck, but we know we're going to get that because of how that section's taken. Now, our next section here, we want to bring this up to meet this section here, and we want to bring this down slightly because we want to still be in graduation. And I'm just going to bring it up just so I can see where my guide is, and my guide is right at my fingers. So I know that there's going to be some connection when it comes to shaking this out. And this is something you are going to love to see because this is going to be so youthful looking, but also super quick. So I'm just going to have a look. There it is there. I'm just going to cut straight across, which will leave us with a really blunt line. There's that bottom ponytail falling out, but no worries because I've got my guide already, which is there. Now, let's just set that in the comb and we can just point cut into there. So as of next week, I'm going to be filming my salon series. I've got a load of new stuff coming for you to be able to take advantage of as well. So really looking forward to that. Okay, there we go. So there's that. And that's just going to marry in with that beautifully, adding some graduation. Now we want this to be softer. So we're going to be in a layering position. Clip's just pulled that out. We'll adjust that later. Here's our section here. I want to bring that right up to this point so I can see there. I'm just going to remove that length just so I've got a bit of a clearer guide for where I'm working. So there it is there. And I'm going to be at 90 degrees from the head, this top one. So let's put that in there. I've taken that to my guide, which is that ponytail there. We're just going to drop that down. And we're just going to, again, set that in our comb. We're just going to point cut. There we go. So we've got those three ponytails there. Now what we want to do is we want to work this fringing. So I don't want it too short. I'm going to work with the chin. So we've got something nice and floaty. Actually, we'll go with the nose. I think the nose is a really nice point there. So we're going to work from the nose. I'm going to bring my fingers up. And then we're going to point cut our guide across there. Because there's not much hair in this ponytail, like in the back. I can point cut this whole section like this. There we go. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take out all those ponytails, give it a shake, and have a look at the finished result. So there's our fringe, looking all nice and shapely through there. Beautiful. Let's take out, what should we take out first? Top. And then I'm just going to adjust that piece that came out. There we go. Next one, and then the next one. Right, let's give it a shake. So here we go. This is obviously very just rough. I'm going to style it for you, but that is the raw cut. What I'm going to do in a second is just refine it, and I'll bring you the finished result right at the end. But I just wanted to show you the length and the shape that you get. See how it's very elongated, but you've got this real nice layer in here that you can pull out, you can add texture, and you can make it look fuller. So the reason I've got the clips in there, I just wanted it to cool down. But there's that fringe. Let's take that one out as well. Pop them here. Still good, guys. After a little bit of refining, took around about 1/2 centimetre off the length at the back and just did a little bit of styling. You can see how nice that bob is sitting. All of that texture. And all I did was run the straightening irons over it and fingers and thumbs, a little bit of product in there, works it in, and this is the result you get. But I think it's absolutely beautiful for a very modern way to wear a bob and make you look and feel younger. So if you enjoyed the video, please let me know in the comments down below. Give the video a thumbs up. And if you are new, please hit the subscribe button. Until next time, I'll see you on the next video.